What's up, guys? Back to show you just a quick little video of some Lasfit bulbs I got. Some 194s. And we're gonna put them in here, finally. I've been having these dumb halogen bulbs forever, and I just need to change them soon. We're gonna, after I try these, I'm gonna see if I need to buy some more or what. We'll see what they look like here in a second. So we got the other one out, and they're about the same size, not too much bigger. So this one just has 3 other LEDs on the front and side, so let's put her in. Okay, she's on. There's the other one. Oh, way brighter. Holy crap. Like, even during the day, it's like daytime. It like brightens everything up. Wow, I'm like really impressed. Holy crap. Yeah, definitely gonna buy some for the cab now. Cab's dome light. Holy crap. Definitely worth the $9. Let's put the other one in and I'll get you a night shot. Okay, this is an outside view. The driver's side is the LED, and that the passenger side is the old halogen. Whoa, a lot different. Holy crap, it is like super bright in here now. It's like almost too bright. It's like insane. It like lights up everything. Sorry, I have no shoes on. And it's dirty, but wow. Like honestly, like you can barely, the camera is like picking way more light than it should be. But yeah, that's pretty crazy, man. Definitely recommend it. Also too, I had a little oopsies thing with this. So let's turn this light off. And I pretty much only need one. But I called Lasfit because I had an issue, and this one started smoking. And I was like, what the hell? And all of a sudden it turned a little bit of a bluish color. And I was like, what's going on? All of a sudden I heard a pop and it just turned off. And I was like, what the heck was that? And that came off. I don't know if it's the solder, but I was digging more into it. And these, the side parts of it, they're metal. So what happens too with this is you can see that chrome right there, that chrome part, it touches it. So I don't know if it was rubbing against there and got hot, because it started smoking after I took it out, and I was like, what the heck? So I called them. Great service. Didn't have an issue, and they're actually sending me one because I just literally got it today, and I don't know if it's because of the defective. It's defective because obviously somehow the solder came off. I don't know how. And so what I did on the other one, just to make sure it doesn't rub on the chrome part, because I mean, that's the weird thing, is that the other side didn't do anything. I put it on without any modifications whatsoever, and it's staying, you know, on, and it's not flickering or anything. So just for extra safety measure, I actually got some electrical tape and cut it to this, so it actually covers it, so I won't have any issues. But obviously I don't want to burn my truck down, so that's kind of why I did that. But kind of a dumb what's called way to like make these, I guess. I don't know, just because you never know. I mean, everyone's gonna have a different vehicle, but I don't know, this, the whole metal part, I'm like, so I kind of covered up with duct tape, or not duct tape, electrical tape on this side. So, but I like it, and the customer service was awesome. He's actually sending me another one, so If I have any issues, I'll make another video, but so far so good. It's just the only part that sucks is that, and I have to wait till I get a new one. But put down link below to get it. You might have a different issue, you know, you might have better luck with me, or better luck than I do. I might just use them for Lasfit lights, so put the link down below and get you some of those.